In this video, I'm going to teach you how to share Outlook calendar with your coworkers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a particular calendar that you've made on Outlook and you would like to share it with your coworkers, all that you have to do is use the native function available here. So switch over to the Calendars tab and find the particular one that you would like to share. When you click on Share Calendar, you will have a full list of all of your calendars. So for example, if you have multiple, they will appear like this, and you just choose the particular one that you will be sharing. Once you have selected that calendar, the very first thing that you will see is the calendar permissions. In order to share this with your coworkers, go into the Permissions tab if it doesn't open here by default, and you will see your organization or business here. Then choose the option to add new people to this calendar. When you choose Add, you will see a full list of all of your contacts, and you can add them from here. So make sure that you choose the appropriate address book, use the search function, and when you select them, they will appear listed here. So select the people who you want to share this calendar with. You can add as many as you want, and once you are satisfied, choose the Add option and then OK. Now, if you go back, they will appear under the list. Whenever you see someone here, you can also check their permission level. So for example, these two people that have been added can view all of the details. You can give them more or less permissions. So click on a specific member and then choose the appropriate permission that you want to assign to them. Once you have changed all of these permissions, remember to apply the changes and choose OK. Now, they will receive an invite that they must accept beforehand. So if they go over to their email, they will see a new email has arrived with this message: I would like to share my calendar with you. Choose the accept option at the top, and now if they go and filter the calendars through shared calendars, it is going to appear on their view. I hope I was able to help you on how to share Outlook calendar with coworkers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.